Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to start second part of the statistic ability, that is median. Median definition of median is median of a distribution locates a central point which divides a distribution into two equal halves. Median is what? It divides the distribution to equal halves. That is, it is the middlemost value among a set of observations. It is a middlemost value of set of observations. Now we are going to find median of ungrouped or raw data. Median of ungrouped or raw data means here the observations are given in a form of list or marks of students. Note, for that what you have to remember this note. It is very important one. What is that? Arrange the given observations or data in the increasing or decreasing order. In any way you have to arrange it in a increasing or decreasing order. Then you have to pick this one. The middlemost value is called median. Now see that example. Example 1 is here. On this basis, for ungrouped data, find the median of 20, 30, 15, 6, 40, 7 and 10. How many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 observations or 7 data. It is in the form of ungrouped. Now solution we are going to find. Arranging it in a increasing order or arranging it in a decreasing order. Now I am arranging it in a increasing order. That means smallest to highest number you have to pick. Write the smallest one first. So the least value in this one is 6. The next number is 7. Another one is 10, 15, 20, 30. The highest value of that is 40. So these numbers are in ascending order. Now you have to pick the middlemost. How can you pick? The simple method is that just cancel the number first and last. First and last. The second and the last second. Third, the last third. So you will get a number 15. This is your median. Now second example is that find median of 9, 16, 18, 4, 90, 67, 54 and 32. In solution again what we have to do? Arranging in increasing order. The given data we have to arrange it in an increasing or decreasing order. So I am writing the numbers or observations in an increasing order. See that 4 is the least one. The greater than 4 is 9, like that 16, 18, 32, 54, 67, 90. These are the numbers. Now how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now in this case we have 8 observations. Now what we have to do? Again the simple way. Median is what? Median is nothing but, just see, cancel this number 1 first and another one is last. Second first, second last. Third first, third last. If you cancel the 4th and 5th number, so you will get 0. Median of any number is not equal to 0. It is always some value. The middlemost value is called median. So we cannot cancel these two numbers. Now it is very important. Now we have to add these two numbers or that is these two number, divide with 2. Whenever even observations are there, we have to take the middle two values, sum them, divide by this. This is nothing but average of the two values, average of the two values. So the median is, add the numbers, 8 plus 2, 10, 0, carry 1, 3, 4, 5. So this is 50 by 2. Divide it, you will get 25. So your median is 25. Average of the middle most two values gives the median. So whenever odd or even there, we have to select the numbers according to the number of observations. Now we are at the example 3. See that, find median of 60, 90, 20, 70, 50, 30, 80, 10 and 40. Again, same method we have to follow. Solution, arranging the given data observation in increasing or decreasing order. Now I am doing it in an increasing order. Now I am writing the numbers in vertical column. Vertically I am writing that. First I am writing 10, the least value of a given one. The next value is 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Now first item or first observation is there. So we have to give it as a first item or observation. So 10 is our first observation in a given data. 20 is the second one. The next value 30 is a third item or observation. 40 is a fourth item or observation. 50 is fifth item or observation. 6 is sixth item or observation. 70 is the seventh one. 80 is eighth observation. 90 is ninth observation. Now one formula is there. Simple way, in question number 1 we have done that. For odd numbers, just simply we can take the middlemost value. Using mathematics, one more formula based median, we have to write the numbers in this way. We can write this vertical or horizontal also, but we have to give the first observation as first item or value, for second data for second item or observation, third as a third data or observation. Now see this side, given observations are in odd items or observations. This, how many values are there? Observations are there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 values. That means 9 is a odd number. So the given data is an odd. So whenever given data is odd there, we have to pick the median as n plus 1 by 2th observation. So what is n? N is now, our n is nothing but 9. Okay, 9 observations are there. So that why we have to write 9 plus 1 by 2th item or observation. Which one is there? 9 plus 1, that is 10. 10 by 2. 10 by 2 is what? TH. That number we have to pick. That is fifth observation is our median. Where is that fifth observation? Just see that fifth observation. Fifth observation is 50. So median is, that implies median is 50. Median is 50. Or just cut it, you will get 50 as a middlemost, or otherwise using that formula we can find the median. So this is very important one. Whenever just it may come like this, find the median of odd observations are there, which value is called median of that one. Means we have to pick n plus 1 by 2th observation is called median. This is one method we can find the median. Now see example 4. So this is 4 example. It's 4. Example 4. We find median of 60, 90, 20, 70, 50, 30, 80, 10, 40 and 200. Now see that how many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Here again I am arranging in increasing order. So first number is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 200. Again mark it as observations. First observation, second observation, third one, fourth, fifth, this is sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth and 10th observation. There are 10 observations are there. N is how much? So we can say that N is 10. Okay? This is even. This is even. Now number of observations are in even. So given observations are not odd. This is this previous one. It was there. Now it is even. Okay? Even. Items or observations. 10 is even number. That's why we already have 10 observations on this basis. If it is 9, then it is odd. If it is 10, so it is even. If even observations are there, we have to be careful while picking the or selecting the observation. Here if we cancel it, what happened? The first will goes with the last one. Second it goes with the ninth one. Third one goes with eighth one. Fourth one goes with seventh one. Fifth and sixth are middlemost value. To get this one, for even observations, we have to pick n by 2th observation. N is 10. 10 by 2, fifth. Fifth observation we have to select. Again, n by 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. The sixth observation. So we have to select 2 observations whenever even data is there. Even number of observations are there. So we have to select the middlemost 2 values or 2 observations. Take median average of the 2 observation. Even is there. Whenever even observations are there, we have to take 2 median as average of 2 values. So copy this. I will again explain you that part. Now I am going to pick the 2 values. How we have to n by 2 observation. That is 10. 10 by 2 is what? Fifth. Fifth observation in our series are 50. And this is 10 by 2 plus 1. That is 5 plus 1. That is sixth. Sixth value is 60. So median is what? Median is nothing but 50 plus 60 by 2. This is called average of the 2 values. Average of the 2 values. Now add this 0, 6 plus 5, 11 by 2. So this is 2 ones are, 2 fives are, 10, carry 1, 2 fives are, 55. So the median of the given data is 55. So this way we can find the median for ungrouped data. Now we are going to start group data. Now median for group data. Example 5. Find median of, a table will be given. This table you will get in exam horizontally. So and write it in a vertical form. The first column marks obtained by students sometime or number of families, like that you will get. So here marks are there x. Number of students, that is f. Okay. Marks, 1 mark got by 1 student, 2 marks by 3 students, 3 marks by 5 students, 4 marks by 6 students, 5 by 10 students, 6 marks got by 13 students, 7 marks 9 students, like that 12 marks got by 1 students. So these are the given. Whenever group there, we have to find cumulative frequency. This is called CF or cumulative frequency. What is cumulative frequency? Just you have to add. So take the first frequency, write it as it is 1. Now the second part is 3 is there, 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3. So you will get this, the second number, as 4. Now third one, 4 plus 5, 4 plus 5, this 5. So it's how much? 9. 9 plus 6, 15. These are called cumulative frequency. 15 plus 10, 25. Okay. Now 25 plus 13. This is 8, 3, 38. 38 plus 9. 38 plus 9. How much this? 7 carry 1, 47. 47 plus 5. This is 52. Okay. 52 plus 3, 55. 55 plus 2, 57. Now 57 plus 2, 59. And the last one, 59 plus 1. This is 60. Okay. So this column is known as cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency obtained. Just add the previous frequency to that class frequency. 1, no previous class is there, so it is 1. 3, previous class 1, 1 plus 3. 5 plus previous classes. That means 3 plus 1, 4, or 4 plus 5. We can write this way. It's too simple to add and get the cumulative frequency. Now just median is what? Again we have to, now you will get the n value. N value is how much? 60. Here capital N is 60, so median is nothing but n by 2th value of that observation gives the median. Okay. Now median is n by 2 value we have to find. N by 2. Okay, I rub this part. N by 2 means 60 by 2. That is 30th. 30th value we have to see. This 30th value we have to see in cumulative frequency. Where it comes? It falls or it comes in 38. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The corresponding this x value gives the median. See here, this is your median. 30 comes in here. Our CF, in CF we have to see 30th value. 30th value will come in 38th one. It falls in this group. The above one is 25, so it's 2 less than the given value. So next class we have to follow. We have to follow that class and take the corresponding x value corresponding observation, that is 6. So median for the given data is 6. So this is our median. So first what we have to do, two columns given in a question, just we have to create a cumulative frequency column. That frequency column is nothing but like that, 1, we have 1 is there, so 1 plus 3, like that we will get the whole, the last one, the last number, that is 60. So this value we have to observe where it is there, n by 2, that means 60 by 2, 30. 30th observation will comes in cumulative frequency, where it is there, it falls in 38. Whenever it is there, take the corresponding x value. Here x is there, that means observation, frequency, observation. So we have to take observation value. The sixth value is called median. Now example 6. Find median using formula. If n equal to 60, capital N or small n is always same for median. Remember that? So according to that we have to select the formula. Here capital N is given, that is 60. Capital F is nothing but cumulative frequency. Cumulative box is there, no? So cumulative frequency, that is 25. Frequency is 20. L is 45. H or C, class interval or width of the class is always same. Sometimes it will be as a C or H. Here H is there, so we have to have two median formula here. Median formula is nothing but L plus n by 2 minus capital F divided by small f into H. Sometimes capital F is also represented with M. Median value of cumulative frequency, small m is there. So L plus n by 2 minus M. M and capital F are same. Again frequency H and C also same. But given values are H and F. So we have to use upper formula, and median is, see that, median is L. L is what? 45. Plus, take the denominator line. Now N. N is what? N is 60. 60 by 2. Minus capital F. How much that is? 25. Okay. Divided by a small f. A small f is 20. H. H is how much? H or C, we can say that 10. So this is there. Again we have to write 45 as it is. Simplify this. 60 divided by 2 is nothing but 30. 30 minus 25. Okay. By 20 into 10. Now simply you can cancel this also. 10 ones are, 10 twos are. So again 45 plus 5 by 2. Now you can write this 45 as it is, plus 5 by 2 is nothing but 2.5. So median for given data is 47.5. So just substitute the values of given data in median formula. You can find the median of the table. Group data, we can use this also. Whenever class interval values, frequency and sum of the frequency and lower limit of a class is given. So using this formula we can find median. Now general question is there. It was asked so many times in competitive exams. Find median of first n natural numbers. Okay, first n natural numbers means we don't know n is odd or even. N is odd or even. So we have to see according to the value. If not given, we can write two values of that. Take example, take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, dot 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 n. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, dot 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 n. The last number we don't know whether it is a even or odd. If it is even, if n is odd, okay, take first odd. If n is odd, median is what? Median is n plus 1 by truth observation. If n is even, so median is n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th OBS average, AVG, that is average. So if it is in a bit form, so you will get bits like that. N plus 1th observation, second one AVG of n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th observation. Third bit n by 2th observation, OBS. Fourth bit may be none. So which is your answer? If n value is odd, your answer will be A. If n value is even, your answer will be this. According to this, we have to write the mean of the given observations. And if it is n stops at 10, so we can find 10 is what? Even number. 10 is what? Even number. Then for even we have to take second bit as answer. If n is 11, suppose, so the answer is first bit. So these are the shortcut to find the nth first natural numbers. Okay, we will see one more example on this basis. Okay, to get find the just value of the median. So this is example 8. Example 8. Find median of first 21 natural numbers. Solution. One way is there, if bits are there, bits, (21) plus 1 by 2th observation, B bit, 21 by 2 plus 2th observation, or 21 by 2 plus 1th observations average, AVG average of these two. C bit, n by 2th observations, D bit, none. Now what we have to do? 21 is a odd number. For odd, A is your answer. Now if you want to get it clarify, or you want to check whether the given answer is correct or not, what we have to do? 21 plus 1. 22. 20 by 2 is 11. 11th observation is called your answer. So see that first you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the first n natural numbers. N means up to 21 we have to write. This is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This is your 21. Now cancel it. First and last. Second first, second last. Third, third last. Fourth, fourth last. Fifth, fifth one last. Sixth, sixth one last. Seventh one, seventh one last. Eighth one, eighth one last. Ninth one, ninth one last. Tenth one, tenth one last. So you will get 11. This is your median. This is called median. So just 20 plus 1 by 2, the observation, that is 22 by 2, 11. 11th observation is here 11th one. 11th one is your 11th observation. Now example 9. Find median of first 18 natural numbers. Now again bits will be given like that. Which one is correct? We have to pick here A bit, B bit, C and D. Find median of first 18 natural numbers. Simple answer will be in this observation form, not value is given. So which value is correct? Which value of the observation is correct? We have to pick. A bit is given 18 plus 1 by 2th observation. B bit is given average of 18 by 2th plus 18 by 2 plus 1th term, average of these two terms, or 18 by 2th term of that observation, or the none. Which one is a correct? We have to find. Just see that 18 is what? In solution we can write 18 is what? It is a even number. Whenever even is there, even number of observations are there. Whenever even number of observations there, we have to take two middle values. Here only one middle value is there. It is two middle value with average is there. Here also a single value is there. None, D is nothing. So this we can neglect. In these three, average of two values are there. So B is your bit. B is your bit. See how 18 by 2th term. So verification we can write first n natural number from 1, 2, okay, 3,